Hello, in this video I want to show you how to play ambient sounds on Jabra Elite 7 Active. To do this you will need to download a Sound Plus app. I've shown you how to do that previously. Now scroll down and inside we have a soundscape. You can choose a different ambient sound like nature or diving. Okay, because it's an entire tab. Anyway, we chose a waterfall now and we can go back. Inside, if you click on this play button like this, it should start playing this ambient sound on your earbuds. And in case you don't see the soundscape right here, you need to click on edit widgets, and then on the bottom you should be able to find the soundscape. You will need to enable it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.